How to recover deleted snap photos. So if you want to recover your deleted snap photos, then first of all open up your Snapchat application. Then after opening, now you can go to your profile, which is on the upper left corner, and then you can go for settings, which is on the upper right, and scroll all the way down and go for my data. And here you have to log into your Snapchat, and after entering your username or your email address, you can simply tap on next. And then you have to enter your password, and after entering your password, you will be logged into your my data. And now you have to turn on the first option, which is include your media, memories and other saved media. You can simply toggle that on, and after that you have to select all of these informations, and then after selecting, tap on next, which is on the bottom right. So here you have to confirm your email address. So if you don't want to receive to that email address, you can change that email address, or if you're okay with that, then simply tap on submit, which is on the bottom right. So this process may take a long time, like it may take some hours or days. So after that you will receive an email when your export is ready. So after that you can check your mail, and then you can have an option to download your information. So that's it. That's how you recover your Snapchat memories or Snapchat photos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.